Alright, we just got to Trevorton. It poured down rain the whole way. This is September the 28th, 2008. And Tim just got his rain gear on and we're getting ready to unload the ATV. It's foggy and miserable, but it's very warm and humid. And nobody's here yet except one vehicle. That's about it. Right there. So. Okay, we got things ready to go here, and we're gonna crank things up and get hitting the trail. And there's some other people who just came. Kids in the rain. What are you hunting for? Goggles?
You're right there.
It's really foggy here in the mountains and raining. Here comes the guys up the trail. Alright, the kids are coming through a puddle here. Gonna be puddles all day. Alright, it's still raining and it's foggy, and here we got this nice deep area here. Really foggy. Alright, we got some more deep water coming through here. Here we are. We're gonna really knock it off now, but it is pouring down raining, and this is about, and it's been doing this for a couple hours now. The water's gushing down the trails. Everybody is soaked, and we're like gonna knock it off. We gotta turn around. We got a lot of miles to go back. How many miles we got to go?
15.
Yeah, we got 15 miles to go and it's pouring down rain. Well, we're getting things loaded here. It's pouring down raining. It was relentless. All the trails were like gushing rivers all day long. Other people are sort of wet too. There's some people with a tent. So, that's about it for the day.
Needs to go farther out.
One soaking wet day.